timer has gone off. I'm taking them, putting them onto a sheet. Okay, now I got another batch to do as well, and we're going to allow it's ready. So you saw how the light came back on. So you want to let your fryer recover. Okay, that's a really important thing too. You can't just continually fry. You do have to allow that oil time to recover, to come back up to temp. So our oil is back up to temp. Our oil is back up to temp, and now we can start this next batch of chicken. And I just want to wipe the sides down. Clean as you go. Keep your area as clean as possible. Okay. Keep your area as clean as possible. And don't wipe it onto the floor. Wipe it into your hand, and then into the garbage, and then go and wash your hands. Okay. Dry your hands on a clean towel. All right. Disposable. Once again, good. Swim it. And once again, I'm doing it this way so it won't stick. It won't stick to the bottom of the basket. The best part about chicken is frying it and then having that crispy exterior. Now when I fry these the second time, I will go ahead and put them all in the basket at one time because they're already cooked. Once again, we'll set our timer for what? That's correct, 7 minutes. Put the lid on. Let her go. Good. All right, I'll see you shortly.